One of the questions I get asked the most is, Nathaniel, how do you get more clients on LinkedIn? First thing is you need to know what your outcome is. And then what you'll find is as soon as you start measuring success, you'll be able to work back from that to achieve it. I think most people are just creating noise. Just creating content is just noise unless there's an outcome associated to it. So this comes down to strategy. So you're working out where you're going, then you work out how you're going to measure success. So you've got vanity metrics, which have some value. Measuring things like likes and comments and shares will dictate whether or not your content will get more organic reach, which is valuable. But you can't scale organic reach, and your ability to be able to reach your network is up to basically LinkedIn's algorithm. And at the end of the day, if LinkedIn changes algorithm and all of a sudden it becomes like Facebook where you've got a sponsor post to reach them, your whole strategy is sort of shot in the water. So whether or not people are engaging with your content, is it actually impacting people in the decision-making cycle to buy from you? And are your sales going up?